Hello everybody. In today's episode, I'm going to show you the exact strategy that we are using to post content regularly 3 to 4 times every single day in front of our targeted audience. So this strategy will help you to understand where to post, when to post, what to post, and what call to action you have to give. So let's get started with the video. I'm personally using this, and this is the exact Excel sheet I'm going to show you. Here we go. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as well. So all 7 days, what you have to post, how you are going to post, and what should be, you can actually take this Excel sheet. I'm going to share the file. You can see the link below this video, and you can make your own changes as well. So what I am using, and you can merge according to whatever your business is. So what I'm using, my 90% targeted audience is congregating inside Facebook groups on the Facebook. So Facebook is very important, and this Excel sheet is 99%, 100% useful for if your targeted audience is on the Facebook, and if your targeted audience is on LinkedIn, still you can use this. If they are on Instagram, that will be you have to do some changes inside the strategy, and you'll understand. Once you understand the depth, once you understand what is the exact strategy, you can create your custom strategy. So let's get started. First thing is at 11 p.m. So this is time. I post at 11, 2, 5, and 7. These are 4 different times that I am posting. So you can actually see my Facebook profile, and you can see all the content that I have posted in the last 7 days. You'll see it is totally strategically, not in the 7 days. You can go for 30, 60, 90 days. And okay, the first thing is at 11 p.m. what I do, I'm highly active on Twitter. So I tweet 4, 5, 6 times on Twitter, and I take the best tweets from Twitter and I post it on Facebook. This is just it takes me more than less than 1 minute to post, copy paste. All you have to do is take your best tweet and you have to copy paste on your profile. So how, that I'll show you after this Excel sheet, what I'm posting and how I'm posting. So just understand that you have to post in the morning. People don't have that much time. So post something that is short and valuable. So I'm posting tweets. So you can actually post a screenshot of the tweet, or you can actually copy paste it. So for whom is this? This is for your community, for spreading knowledge, for spreading value. Then call to action. If you want to add call to action, you can add your own call to action. Second thing is content to pull people inside your group. It is very important that we are pulling people every single day inside our community, inside our ecosystem. So on Monday, what I have written here, content to pull people inside your group. You can create a post, you can create a video content. We'll talk about what to create the content and what should be, how to create the videos, how to create the posts in the next video. Today, just understand the strategy. So content to pull inside your group for you. This you are doing for you. You are pulling people inside your ecosystem for yourself, where you have to give the call to action of your group. I'll show you when I'll close this window. Next is at 5 p.m. I post long form content with the main offer. What is the main offer? This is something that you are selling. That is the main product. That is main product of your value ladder. It can be your front end product. So you should be promoting it, twice or thrice a week. It's very important that you show what you stand for, what is your offer every time, because you are pulling more and more people every single day inside your ecosystem. They should understand what you are selling. So it's very important for you to remember that, show them twice or thrice a week what is your offer. Don't forget to show them. 60 days back when we were working on this content strategy, everything was random, and random things generate random results. So for whom is this? This is for you, and you have to give the link of main landing page. So people will go to your main landing page and they'll understand, okay, this is your offer. It can be a sales page or anything, and you'll generate more and more leads for your main offer. That is why we are posting the content. So this thing is very important. Next is OMP. Here you can make changes. I'm posting 4 times. You can post 3 times. Why I'm posting 4 times? Because I have already created 123 episodes of 1 minute podcast. I haven't posted them on Facebook. So there are hundreds of episodes I just have to download the video and paste it here, post it here. So I have something in video format that is valuable for my community, and I'm posting 1 minute podcast. What you can do, you can actually ignore this part, or you can add your own videos or podcast or audio or something if you have something. Tuesday, yeah, at 11 p.m. again, post short content or short tweet. Then again, lead magnet. Here on Monday, what we were doing, we're pulling people inside our group. Now here we are pulling people on our email list. Inside our email list, we are growing email list on Tuesday. So a lead magnet can be your ebook. Your best lead magnet is like your videos or your own short course, or it can be anything. For me, I have some videos I've created that are helpful, so I create a post, I post it. Sometimes I post videos and give a call to action to that lead magnet page, and I collect emails on Tuesday. So simple. Then at 5 p.m. you have to post a video with, okay, what is first question from the 100 question document? A 100 question document is the exact document you have to create. I'll create another video for that. That contains all the questions, all the desires, all the pains of your ideal targeted audience. Once you have those 100 questions, all you have to do, create a 3 or 5 minute videos. All the posts that you are creating, that is for your ideal targeted audience. So you should understand what is their pain, what is their desires, and you have to create your content accordingly. So take the first question and create a video on, what is the solution for, let's say, how to create leads, how to get more and more traffic on XYZ. And that is for your community, of course, and you are going to give the call to action link to your group, and that's how you are going to pull people inside your group. Simple. 1 minute podcast for community. Simple. Wednesday, again, same, post short content, tweet, then content to pull people inside your group. What we did on Monday, same thing we are going to do. We are going to repeat it on Wednesday. For you, call to action to group. Mid-form content. Now here we created a long form content with our main offer. Here we are going to just create mid-form content with photo. Of course, you have to show your own photo, you have to show your own face. That will help you build your personal brand, and it is for your community. It is a valuable post that again you can refer your 100 question document, or you can create something. Okay, how to create that I will cover in next video, what to create. And again, link for your group. Okay, on Wednesday we are pulling people inside our group, no worries. And at 7 p.m. 1 minute podcast for our community. You can actually change the links here, whatever you have to do, but make sure you are pulling people, sending people to your landing page, to your offer page, to your group. That is very important. So that's why I have created this strategically. Let's go to Thursday, 11 p.m. 11 a.m. again, short tweet, short content, lead magnet page, video. First question, second question. Then next is you have to go live once a week. This is very important. Now, why you have to go live once a week? Serve your community. 30 minutes is nothing. 30 minutes every single week for your community going live will actually help them understand that how authentic you are. So go live, choose your day. It can be Saturday, it can be Sunday. I think that Thursday is good for me. That's why I'm testing. You can test which day is good for you and your community as well. Sometimes, on weekends, people are busy. So you can, go for Thursdays or Wednesdays. So live for 30 to 60 minutes, choose a topic. You have to create a single workbook on what you are going to actually talk every single week. So I've created my workbook with 8 topics. So every Sunday I refine my content on what I have to, publish this next week, or what I'm going to say in this 30-minute live, and all in all. So you can do the same. And for community, and okay, when you're going live, give the call to action link to your main landing page, main offer. So because you have, interface with people face to face, so they are more likely to go and see what you are selling. So send them to that landing page. Friday, post short content to pull people inside your group. Again, Mid-form content with the main offer. Again, pull people, send people to your main offer, and then 1 minute podcast. Then again, Saturday, lead magnet, 1 minute podcast, question answer session. So I like to, I'm going live twice a week for 30 minutes. It's a live question answer for my community. So if you have any questions, I tell them that you can ask me any question, I'll answer you live. So you can do like this and test your links, what links you have to do. But I have created here some ideal strategy for me, and that will also help you. So you can actually copy paste, and if you think that you want to change it, create your own custom strategy. I will pass the link of this document. The link is below. Sunday, post short content, again mid content, 1 minute podcast to your group. You have to add more people inside your group, because once you have 1,000, 2,000 people inside your group, it's very easy to sell them. It's very easy to show them what is your offer and how you can help them in a better way, to help to help them get their desires, to help them get out of their pain and reach their goals. So make sure you're pulling more and more people inside your group. And also lead magnet, also you should be collecting emails every single week. That's very important. So play around this and you will create your own strategy. Let me share that how I'm posting. So here is my Facebook, and yeah, you can see, okay, inside my Facebook, I have a pinned post on how I work, how our company is going to help you generate more and more leads. This is the pinned video. So you can see if you visit my profile. Okay, next thing is, this is the latest video I published an hour back. Just a second. Okay. So, and let's see the call to action. The call to action, I'm sending people, watch the first part inside the group. So I have given the link of my group here. Next part is, this is the short tweet. This is I tweeted today, I think, or yesterday, on my Twitter profile. Copy, paste. The next thing is that you have to post. Okay, this is yesterday's video. Here is the link to 3 videos. So I'm sending people to my lead magnet in this video. Then again, a short tweet or information video, and it should be something that will help your community. So kind of find ideal clients, those who are 10, 20, 50 steps behind you are your exact clients. Help them reach who you are, where you are. So this is something that is helping my community to understand their own ideal clients. So this is, you have to, when you're putting short content, make sure it's something that is valuable as well. Then this is something I am promoting my event. So we have event on 6th, 7th and 8th of November 2022. And I'm going to teach how to create your own course, and then how to sell it, how you can separate out from the red ocean, how you can create your blue ocean. There are so many things. If you just want to, I want you actually to join this event. This is the best event you will have this year. Why? Because we are going to give our paid knowledge totally for free, and the link is given below this video as well. So just join this video, join this event. You will not regret it, because I have so many gifts for you, and there is value bombs every single minute. We will be dropping value bombs, positioning secret, tribe building decode, award system secret, so much every single day, 2 hours, 6th, 7th and 8th of the November. Let's get back to the video. Next point is, again, this is the small tweet for the community. This is 1 minute podcast episode. I'm posting every single day. I have hundreds of episodes. You can create your own episodes, or you can post something. You don't need to post 4 times. I have something that's why I'm posting actually 4 times, but it's up to you. Then this is the post, a long form post. I forgot to mention here link, because I was thinking something. This is for something just for adding value. You can actually add your own links to send people wherever you want to send them. Then again a small tweet, then again a small tweet, then 1 minute podcast episode. Then here is the part 1 video of generate leads organically, and where it is, okay, there is no link. Okay, I'll edit it and send it to somewhere, wherever I want to send them. So this is how you have to create your content content strategy. Post strategically. Do not post randomly. And now the most important part. The most important part is whenever you are posting it, do not post only on your profile. Join 50 to 60 Facebook groups if you are on Facebook, if your targeted audience are on Facebook, and distribute this all content to every single Facebook group where you think that your targeted audience is hanging out. Let's say, for example, I created this post, then I will go and join every single Facebook group. Let me show you how. I have already joined few of the groups. Let's say there are 2 dozens of groups. So copy paste, go inside this group, copy paste, post, go, then again next group, then again next group, then again next group. And this is how you will distribute your content in front of more and more audience. And it will take you hardly 2 to 3 minutes to distribute this content. So whenever your first job is, you post it on your profile and then go inside and distribute inside all the groups. You can see here are dozens of groups I have joined. And this is how you'll distribute it to more and more in front of more and more people. Okay, so use the same strategy, and remember, it's not mandatory that you post at exactly 11 a.m. or 5 a.m. or 5 p.m. or 7 p.m. I also sometimes, got in meetings and stuck inside meetings, or, sometimes I post it at 12 p.m. But it's for us to understand that we have to post something at a given time. So just do this. And if you find this video helpful, then just put a like and comment on what is helpful in this video. What helped you in this video? You can post the comment. Thank you very much.